At the American Heart Association and American Stroke Association, everything we do is rooted in science. This year, we're celebrating our third annual STEM Goes Red for Girls event.
What excites me is seeing all these young women that are eager to learn about STEM-related fields. I really hope that today they choose to step outside their comfort zones, try something new. There's tons of STEM-related activities, and we have wonderful moderators. We have wonderful panelists that they can ask questions and be engaged, and maybe think about something that seems impossible and question it a little bit.
I'm most looking forward today of learning something I may have not known yesterday.
I am most excited about we can meet new people, and I feel like it's going to be fun.
My favorite STEM field is technology.
I'm excited to learn about the new STEM technology, especially in engineering.
When I grow up, I want to be a neurologist or a neurosurgeon.
When I grow up, I want to be a pediatric doctor.
Our favorite STEM field is science. We like it because you can interact and ask many questions.
And also do a lot of experiments.
One of the facts from the engineering industry is that there are actually only 13% of engineers in the workforce that are women. I feel it's very important for women to share their perspective and their knowledge and their excitement in STEM fields. We don't have enough of that today, and I'm really looking forward to, in the future, having that change.
Having young women in fields of STEM brings diversity to the field, which brings diversity of thought, diversity of experiences, and if you're only interesting half the population, you only have half the experience, you only have half the talent.
It's important for young women to pursue careers in STEM because STEM is a part of our everyday lives. And if girls aren't pursuing STEM, if young women are not pursuing STEM careers, then what that means is that there's a critical voice that's missing that would mean that the solution that comes forward may not be as complete or as effective as it could be.
So STEM is important for women and girls for so many reasons. It gives you the skills to be able to understand things and evaluate critically and think through problems logically, which stems beyond, careers into just general life.
I think it's really important to expose students to STEM opportunities because it's really going to change the world, and I think that it's really important to expose young women to it because there's a lot of career opportunities for them.
There are so many fields of science and math and engineering, and there's all sorts of opportunities in places you never thought. But just experience as many things as you can in the world of STEM so that you can better decide what you want to do later.